Hey guys, this is John Jones. Today I'm coming to you as a small business owner here in Rutherford County. Due to the impact of the coronavirus in our community and in an effort to do our part to try to shorten the curve, effective immediately, John Jones Real Estate will be closed to the public through the end of the month. We'll continue to conduct business remotely, taking appointments where needed, as needed. A lot of our team members will be working out of their homes. Rather than holding traditional open houses, we will be doing virtual open houses on our new listings, which you can view on our social media channels. Our active listings will still be available for showings. However, we do ask that those be limited to serious buyers only. We at John Jones Real Estate do not take the threat of this virus lightly. We feel this move is socially responsible in order to put our community first, and we ask that other local businesses do what they can to mitigate the situation in order to put this behind us quickly. By taking this serious and just practicing good common sense, social distancing, and good hygiene, it will dramatically decrease the chances of people becoming affected with this virus. It is the most effective thing each and every one of us can do to help with this situation. If you have any questions about anything real estate, our phone lines are open. Give us a call at 615-867-3020, and God bless.